get no be problem for Europe. You go they say get no be problem for Europe.
Soup not today. What did they happen with the part of this afternoon?
My brother, see, at the verse this morning, at the verse, see, get no be problem for Europe. Get no be problem for Europe. See, let me tell you, if get no be your problem, now my problem. Now some people problem. See, you see this one, now snow. This one has snow. See, you see this snow when it falls so. After 3 days now, when this snow they met, now you will not say, get now problem for Europe. Get no be problem for Europe. All those boys will not feel they advice person good. When I go the time and say, get no be problem for Europe. Get no be. See, this Europe, you don't get document, you don't get money, you don't get. What you gonna do for life? See, let me tell you. Beware of all those friends when they tell you say get no be problem for Europe. Oh, get na problem. See, let me tell you, some people dey, go Jamie, some people dey 2 years. They don't get girlfriend though. They never do anything. They find, they don't see. Now I'm gonna tell you say get no be problem for Europe, get no be problem for Europe. Wait, see, one of my friend now his friend just go advise her. He say he get just a misbehave. He say, hey, get no be problem for Europe. You don't go Parma, get full Parma. Milano, now the depot of gas. Now there gas full. Go to Milano, get no day. See, let me tell you, get a problem for Europe. See, all those people, when those be the advice person, they say get a problem for Europe. See, all those people, most of them, now they watch panto. Most of them, now they do the housework. They don't want, even when they are girl offend themselves, now they see they beg. Now they say, get no problem for Europe, get no problem for Europe. One of my guy now, get no problem for Europe. He don't get since last year, 1 year and 6 months now. He dey find get, you know, see you. Even that girl when he top now, don't even change boy, reach 3 times. He still dey find girlfriend, you know, see. Now the type of say, get no problem for Europe, if get no problem for Europe, what can be problem? What be problem? When we say we know they feel the advice person good just to advise person, just to maintain person relationship. No, the only place where they see now to the break people relationship they go. They tell me say, get no be problem for you, get no be problem for you. What can be problem? The one where they vest me, maybe all those one, they can never call you for good news. They can never call you say, Alpha, work there, may we go work. The only thing where they advise you for, they're going to tell you say, Alpha, you know they date that guy again. You say, why they ask? You say, because I just see with one boy for train station just now. See, why people don't know they call to tell person say, Alpha, work, they move, go work. Get no problem for Europe. See, let me tell you, get na problem. Get na problem. If you get, hold on well. Don't let all those people that say, get no problem for Europe. Get na problem. Where you go know, say, get na problem, You see all those guys when they show blessed, Go check Facebook. If all those guys when they show blessed, either they do live video, you will see 5,000 people go they follow them. One day, I see live video, one guy they show blessed. He carry Milo, milk. He dey lick am, he dey use this hand, carry her, they lick am. See where boys they comment. Fine girl, I like the way you lick your Milo. You see another comment again. One boy come again, say, beautiful girl, I like your teeth. The thing come vex me. Now I come comment. I say, okay, your old teeth now na shovel. You don't like your old teeth. Let me shock you. You see how those boys when they tell you say, get no be problem for Europe. See, if they see chance to collect that your old girl self, they go collect them more. And let me break your heart right now for you to know, say, get na problem for Europe. You see all those guys when they misbehave for Facebook. You see all those guys when they show their nakedness for social media. See, let me tell you, some boys they are ready to spend the rest of their life with those guys when they naked for social media, and they're going to tell you say get no problem for Europe. If you be guy man wey get sense, see, you see that your wife, you see that your girlfriend, even though say she dey misbehave, let me tell you, even though say she dey misbehave, nobody dey righteous and nobody complete. Even you yourself, you get fault. That girl get fault. Let me tell you, if your woman knows a big cook, say she no be wife material, you teach am, build them, that they build the relationship. Even girl when don't like you before, if you build them, she will like you. Now the advice when I get for you be this. Now just they listen to people when they say, girl, no be problem for Europe, or all those boys when they already call person say, I see a girl for back of train station, I see a girl with one boy, just enter train, you know they date time again. See, one day tell them where they avoid you, build your relationship, because if you dey suffer, they're not go there. You know they see cold wait they here now 21, all those over sabi boys when they feel they settle relationship, when they already break people relationship, see this 2021 make una avoid me. Please, this is your boy MC Soup, not the red, aka Adiverse, aka Witty Man Duma. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Soup, not the red. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just do video this morning now. Una see and nobody to hold camera. Una see wetin I take dey do. I take dey hold my camera. I see the way I take do am. Now so I take construct wetin I take the video myself. Oh. Nobody dey hold the camera. At the end of the day, some people go dey say go and look for work. You no get job. Your mate dey hustle. You go dey talk anyhow. Which hustle pass this one and see inside snow? So lazy youth dey sleep. Oh. So I carry my instrument come out now. I go do video. Just to make una happy, just to make una laugh. Una dey see now here I dey hang my camera, they do video. Nobody dey hold. That's why they start them. That's why they do them. I beg, no forget, pity me. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Soup, not the rain. Please, to see more video, go subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more video. I beg. Oh boy. This one are cool. You no get girlfriend for this cool now. Now problem is there. I dey tell you that if you know say you no get girlfriend, then I beg go find oh. I know say e no easy to see oh. The one wey dey vex me now, so go even get they go dey misbehave. Now cause they believe people when they say girl no be problem for Europe. I tell God beg una, I beg if you get girlfriend or you get wife, I dey advise you. You know say me, I dey suffer dey talk my own. If you get wife or you get girlfriend, I bet maintain them because this Europe not be Nigeria. Where we say na son they already dey Nigeria. Anything now only Hamatan go come. You do Hamatan self. Anybody when you go Europe, say if you reach Nigeria, now no sleeve, na singlet you go even dey wear for the Hamatan. See if you get girlfriend, maintain them. I dey tell you na come they will get a problem. Some people dey, let me tell you, they mark something for Tango. Some people they just bomb them with the gift. Oh, not go they listen to people. Some people they will be say, it just did their talk for the full family. Now just inheritance, now God gift to get girlfriend. You know they hide them. Don't go they believe all those people will come to you say get no problem. Most of them are that they even they help their wife pass. Most of them they get something for tongue until they talk to a woman. That is why they come to tell you now say, see, not let people they deceive you. They say get no problem for Europe. Get no problem. Get na problem because anybody when did this country, the first thing when you need for this country now get after getting a document, after document money. So if you never get document, you never get money. You need to get at least, no matter what, no matter how you poor or rich, if you get at least if you get woman, now we don't first solve number one problem for your life. Woman they bring happiness. Without woman for life, my guy, see the life no complete. No matter how the money when you make, say you no get woman, the life no complete. And they tell you the truth. Don't let people they deceive you. They tell you say girl no be problem or woman no be problem. You no go fit see the one when be say you just define say this one wife material or not be wife material. See that they build them. If you see woman you get, it no be who. If you no be wife material, build them to be wife material. Maintain them. Make sure say you teach them how to do the thing, how to make things they okay, they all right for your house, so that it will be wife material. Because some women they don't grow with their mothers, some don't grow with their fathers, some don't know how to cook, some don't know how to do anything. But if you enter better man, if you enter better man hand, he will teach him, he will come know how to do all those things. The advice when I give you, if you get woman, girlfriend or wife, if they misbehave, not your me say you go just dump them. Wetin I will advise you, they try, they advise them, they let them know say this thing when he do, he no good. They put her, that is the reason why she say some family they go they happy. Some people go they say, what be the secret of this family? Why are they happy? Not be say they know they quarrel, but what cause their happiness that one get action, the other one they low in your temper. They always they make things right. If two people head the hot, it no go work. If your woman they misbehave, her head the hot. Try make you they cool her down. Show her love, show her care, help her, support her. So once you they support your woman, peace go day your home. You are going to live peaceful life. But you know they support, you know they believe your guy when they say, get no be problem for Europe. If they believe your guy when they tell you say get no be problem for Europe, my guy, you go see that your guy go just leave you. He will just leave you go. Another person will just enjoy them. Now for you to build your family, build your home, build them where you go enjoy them. Now code who no get woman for this code. Just imagine that if this code just start to be met, who no get woman for this country now, how you will take they survive? for this co. Co, what the person need? If you like, go drink a kind. If you like, go drink baraga. Whatever you drink for this co, you know they work. Now only woman. If you hit her when they give you, know they work. Now woman. Now if you want your body, if you want test her, anywhere woman don't sleep, put. Come enter there. You will know say that place now hit her. You understand? Maintain your woman well, not to just maintain her. Now you need to maintain them. Just maintain them, help them. What she need, they buy for them. Show her love. She herself will show you love. Everything will complete. You know they complete finish. Even you get fault. The way that get for you still get fault. Because when they report to now old photo, now let woman own they say get fault. You as a man, you still get fault. So if you get fault, it get fault. So now for now to combine together, they advise on yourself. You understand? Man, now you be. They advise yourself, advise your woman. Now the advice when I get for now, please don't forget to follow MC Soup, not the rain. MC Soup, not the rain. Please subscribe, share to your people, your family, like and comment. Follow me every Friday. I already drop comedy like this. Please, every Friday, follow me up. I already drop comedy. Follow me up every Friday. God bless you as you watch this video.